this year, took 5th at the Asian Championships after placing 8th in 24. Ayperi Medekisi, Asian Championship gold medal winner, represented in the blue for Kyrgyzstan. Bronze medal match, Kyrgyzstan coming out in the blue, Jong Se-yan out in the red.
Honor hitlerinin birini satıp alsan, 1,5 ming so'm cashback verilir. Bölüp төлөg aludagı жеткиликтүү. O Store dükkünlerinden J.O. Market'ten al.
Such a terrific story when you look at her background. She started wrestling at the age of 13, was always inspired by the success of fellow countrywoman Tanya Bekova. Tanya Bekova had that incredible run, and I believe it was the London Games, wasn't it? 2012, Kyrgyzstan. Inspiration. Medekisi, and Medekisi became the first ever female world champion on any level when she won the World Junior title. A little drama that year, a last-second takedown to win it in 2017, but a history-making takedown for her, and she has been a consistent performer ever since. Olympian in Paris, just missing out on the podium as she placed 5th. Won the Asian Championship earlier this year, and now has her sights set on a senior level world title in less than a couple of months.
Action blue. No blocking blue.
2-on-1 here as she establishes control position. She's so solid from every position. Zhang, though, has really set the pace in this match so far, dictating this hand fight. She wants to lock it up, close the space of Ayperi. And we do see Ayperi getting the verbal warning, and she will be put on the activity period here. So we see here Zhang just clamping down, slowing the motion of Ayperi. Medet here from Kyrgyzstan. She wants to create those openings, use the limb length, get some angle here. She's fighting in for that underhook position with her left hand. She's really good at the throw by to underhook. Just drops it and can't get underneath of Zhang.
No block blue. Action red.
So we do have Zhang on the board here with that one activity period, but she will be warned for that passivity from the referee.
Not much here in the opening round, just the one passivity point. Zhang
No blocking blue.
in danger of going on the clock herself if something doesn't change early in the second period, I'm sure.
Yeah, we talked a lot over this tournament that the ranking series is a different format from the major championships where it is a one-day tournament. You only have to make weight once, but you wrestle all of your matches in that one day. So a different type of preparation is required for the athletes. Ranking series events are also +2, whereas all the major championships are scratch weight.
And for our audience, +2, you're given that 2-kilogram allowance.
That is
because
correct.
of the one-day tournament.
So we know that, Ayperi Medet, she really is the flag bearer right now for the Kyrgyzstan women's wrestling team. Uncertain where Asulu Tinibekova will be this year at the World Championships. And Ayperi Medet has a lot to prove, I think, and also a lot of pressure on her shoulders. I'm sure she's not happy with the performance so far, and she'll look to open things up a little bit and set up her offense. Right away, she's kind of increasing the pace, gets in on the legs on that sweep single, gets the takedown. Looks to lace it up and finish here. Readjusts and keeps rolling, keeping Zhang in bounds. And this is it. it is over. There's a message that has been sent from Ayperi Medet. Not too happy with the performance, but I know she has lots in the tank and will be looking to take this momentum through to the 2025 World Championships.
He wanted to come out and send a statement, and that's